Hey, welcome back to Latina AI Lab. Today I'm going to show you how you can automate your 3D animations for free using a Google extension for Whisk. If you're tired of importing one prompt at a time into Whisk, then this is for you. I was literally able to create all of these images with just the click of one button, and I got all of my images at once without having to import every single prompt one at a time. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So you want to go into your Google. You have to have Google Chrome for this because this is a Chrome extension. And you're going to type in Auto Whisk extension. And the first one you see here is the one you're going to click on. And then you're going to, for mine it says remove because I already have it. It's going to say install from Chrome. So you're just going to install it and it's going to install automatically. You don't have to do anything. Once it's installed, you're going to go back to Google Whisk. I'm going to start from a new project. Let me go to a new project. Okay. So this is what your Whisk is going to look like when you first go into Whisk. And then here on the side is where you will import all your subjects, which is the images of your characters, and then the scenes and stuff like that. But what you want to do is go up here to the top of your Google Chrome, and this right here that looks like a little, I don't even know what it looks like. It looks like a piece of bread to me. It looks like a piece of toast. Click on it. It says extensions. So you're going to click on that, and right there is going to be Auto Whisk Automator. You're going to click on that, and it's going to open up here, and it's going to be in a different language, so you want to make sure you click on English. And then you're going to go with the classic. That's the one that I was using. So as you can see, all of my prompts are still in there. But all I have to do is get rid of this so I can do the new ones that I have. As you can see, it's a whole lot of them. It was like 50 something prompts. So it's going to look like this. It's going to look empty, right? And before you do anything, you want to make sure that it doesn't download the images automatically. So you're going to go into your settings. So click on settings. You're going to move down. And right here where it says auto download images, make sure that you uncheck it like mine is. If you have it checked like this, it's going to automatically download the images. You don't want to do that. So just unclick that. Now, if you have your prompts ready, all you have to do is go into to wherever you have your prompts. I have them here ready for me. These are all the prompts for all of the images, and I'm going to just copy all this. And I'm just going to go straight down and just copy. Command C to copy. And as you can see, it took me out of the extension. So my advice to you is grab onto Whisk and make it so it could be on its own. You don't want no other tabs open. So just open Whisk on its own and then just open the extensions again. Go back to classic, and I'm gonna paste all of my prompts into here. Command V, and as you can see, all of my prompts are in here. I'm gonna scroll down here, and right here where it says start, well, before I do all that, my bad, let me backtrack before we do all that. First, we need to generate the characters. So we're going to go with the characters first, and then we're going to do the images with the Auto Whisk Automator. So let's close this up. So I'm going to go over to ChatGPT, grab my first prompt for my first character. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back into my Whisk. I'm going to go back into Whisk, and I'm going to paste my prompt here. I'm going to go back up. I'm going to make sure that everything is correct. Right here where it says male, I'm just going to say 3D animation. So it knows that I want a 3D character. And I want to go here, and I'm going to put it at 1:1 for now. But when we're generating all the images, we want to make sure that we put it on 16:9 because that is for YouTube. And if you're doing this for social media like TikTok or Instagram, you want to do it at 9:16. But for now, I'm going to do 1:1 because these are just for the characters. The first character is Author Bell, and I'm just gonna go and see what it gives me. All right, you can always regenerate again if you don't like either one of these images, but I like this one, so I'm gonna keep this one, and I'm just gonna drag it here to the subject line for right now. I'm gonna go back to to grab my second prompt for my second character. I'm gonna copy this, copy, go back to Whisk, paste it here, go back up, right here where it says male, I'm gonna put 3D animation. It doesn't matter if the name is not there, it doesn't matter. And then just click generate. All right, so I like this one, so I'm gonna go here where it says subject line, and I'm gonna press plus so I could add the next subject in there. Then I'm gonna go back and grab the prompt for my third character. There are 3 characters in this story, so that's good. Command copy, go back to Whisk. I'm gonna delete this and paste my new prompt. Go back up to the prompt where it says female. I want to put 3D animation, and I'm gonna click generate. All right, so I like this one. I'm gonna click where it says subject over here on the left side, and I'm gonna click the plus button so I can insert my third character in there. All right, now we have all our characters ready. So what we want to do is get rid of this. Whoops, delete all this. You're gonna go back here and put 16:9, and then you want to click on this right here, these little lines right here, and make sure that you lock that this is locked. Your seed is locked, as you can see here. Just lock it so it could give you consistency with your characters. And then we're gonna open up our automation tool, the extension here, the Auto Whisk. I'm gonna open that back up. I'm gonna go back into classic, and all of my prompts are still there from when I pasted them, so that's good. Scroll down, and right here where it says start, you're gonna press on the start, and then you're gonna press on where it says run on this project, and make sure that all of your characters are checked, that they're not unchecked like this. Make sure that they're all checked before you do this. And then I'm gonna do run on this project and just watch the magic happen. And just like that, it's processing prompts 1 of 60, and it's just gonna continue until it has every single image, which is 60 images, generated for you without you having to go back and forth between ChatGPT and Whisk to paste your prompts into Whisk. This is a game changer. I love this. I am so excited about this, and I hope you can hear the excitement in my voice. But this is gonna make generating my animated movies so much easier for me. Now, what I do after all of these images are done, I go to Grok. Grok is a free tool. You get, I don't know how many generations of videos per day. I know that when I run out of generations, I can go back a few hours later, maybe 10 hours later, and it will let me generate again. So it will let you generate at least 20 videos before it tells you that you out of, generations for the day. But if you have more than one Google account, or Gmail account, just switch over to an incognito window and open Grok through there and sign in with a different Google account. That's how I do it. That's how I get all of my movies done, and I don't have to wait 10 hours to generate the rest of my images. Anyway, if this was helpful, please let me know in the comments. Tell me how you're going to use this. What type of movies are you going to be creating, or what kind of images are you going to be creating? This AI stuff is like fascinating to me, and I'm learning every day, and I'm bringing it to you as I learn it. So if you like this type of content, please make sure that you subscribe and that you hit on notifications so you could be notified when I do upload videos like this, so you don't miss out. And if you want to know how I came up with all of my prompts and in ChatGPT to get all of these prompts for these images, let me know and I will make a separate video on that. Anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Go on and use this Auto Whisk today and get a new YouTube started, which is what I did. I have a new kids YouTube channel up and running. I already uploaded one movie. This one is going to be my next movie. So if you want to see my channel on that, I will have it linked down below, and I will talk to you guys later.